What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Pan America Aluminium Luggage Collection. Now when you're looking for touring luggage to take on your adventure ride, most likely you're going to want cases that are durable, watertight and still look great on your motorcycle. That's where the Pan America Aluminium Luggage comes in. Harley-Davidson collaborated with SW-MOTECH to design the aluminium top case and side cases for on and off-road riding. These were run through the gauntlet with a static tip-over test and a water intrusion test to make sure that they are durable, reliable and waterproof. With the aluminium top case, you have a huge 38-litre volume capacity and a 22-pound weight capacity. That means that an extra jacket or some camping gear can be taken along. Plus, the case is designed to maximize loading capacity without compromising motorcycle handling. Taking a closer look, you'll see all the details that make it adventure ready. For example, it has a welded construction that is both strong and watertight. There are corrosion-resistant stainless steel hinges, and its lid is fitted with a gasket for a fantastic waterproof seal. The lid can also be removed and replaced if needed. The case has integrated handles for easy carrying and bungee eyes that give you the option to strap down more gear securely. A single key locks the case closed and locks it to the mount. The top case mounting plate is sold separately and it is necessary for installation. Moving on to the side cases, you'll see a similar high quality set of luggage. Both the right and left cases are sold as a pair, so you can significantly expand your storage space with this purchase. Each has a weight capacity of 22 pounds. The right case has a volume capacity of 37 litres and the left case has a capacity of 45 litres. The beveled side edges also help maintain ground and cornering clearance. The side cases have a lot of the features that are also on the top case, such as a welded construction, stainless steel hinges, integrated handles for easy carrying, bungee eyes so you can strap down additional gear, and removable and replaceable gasket equipped lids. These cases are available in both aluminium and black. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.